Alex, we are here. Today is the day. I've waited 31 years, 2 months, 2 weeks, and 3 days. And now finally I get to marry you. It doesn't feel real that today I become your wife. You become my husband. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You have made this past year the best. It has been unforgettable, and I can't even read my writing. And now we can make even more memories together as a married couple.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we're finding there's more than one way to go home. Yeah, there's more than one way to go home.
As I'm getting ready this morning, putting on my suit, tying my tie, I'm full of excitement and anticipation to see you in your dress for the first time. Hearing you talk about your dress, your hair, your shoes, and everything else going into your outfit for today, it's hard to put into words just how excited I am to finally see you as my beautiful bride. "595 days ago, we met for the first time. 418 days ago, we went on our first date. This morning, I'm also thinking back on how I prayed and prayed to find you and for this day. And I know without a doubt, God is the reason our paths crossed and that we're getting married. Life with you has been so much fun, and I'm so excited for what the future holds. To get to spend the rest of my life with you, your beautiful smile, contagious laugh, your caring, loving heart, your hugs and kisses, and so much more. So here's to the first day of the rest of our lives.
You'll be in charge. Amen. Amen.
If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together
I, with the authority of God, pronounce you are husband and wife. Alex, you may kiss your bride.
I have prayed for you for so many years. You, babe, are the biggest answer to prayer. You have won me over. I love you to the moon back. Let's get this party started now.
If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it. There's more than one way.
365 days, or exactly 1 year ago, I told you I loved you for the first time. And 232 days ago, I asked you to marry me, and you said yes. I can't wait to say I do, this day and every day forward for the rest of my life. I love you, babe.
There's more than one way to go home. Yeah, there's more than